Hey guys, Todd here. Today we're going to install the N-Fab Predator Pro steps on this 2019 new body style GMC Sierra. Now this is the same install as the Chevy Silverado. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, now we are going to start off on the driver's side. These bars are side specific, so when you have two brackets that are right close to each other, that goes towards the front. Now what we're going to do is line up these brackets to factory holes that are already existing in the rocker panel. Now if those rocker panel holes are covered up with a little black plug, pop the plugs out and expose the holes. Then once you do that, you can go ahead and lift up the bar and line it up to the holes. With it lined up to the holes, now you're going to take your hardware, which is going to be a black bolt, lock washer, and flat washer, go up through the bottom of the bar into the factory hole, and put that in there finger tight for right now. All right, now with that one bolt holding it in place in the center, we're going to go ahead and put all the rest of the hardware in place. Again, bolt, lock washer, and flat washer, and just go in there hand tight for right now. You don't want to tighten anything down until everything's in hand tight. All right, once everything's in finger tight, go ahead and tighten everything down. Get it nice and snug with a 13 millimeter. Now that the driver's side is done, we're going to do the exact same process on the passenger side. Well, that concludes the installation. If you have any questions, call the experts or visit us online.